Every time you unlock your phone with your face, ask Siri a question, or get Netflix recommendations, you are already using artificial intelligence. AI writes scripts. AI makes videos. AI generates arts and voices. Next thing you know, AI might be doing your laundry too.
Everyone's talking about it, but pause for a second. Do we even know what artificial intelligence actually is?
Artificial intelligence isn't some magical robot brain-plotting world domination. It's simply machines trained to mimic human intelligence, like learning patterns, solving problems, recognizing voices, and yes, recommending you that one weird product you never asked for.
But did you know AI comes in different types, from simple assistants to powerful systems that can learn on their own? Today, let's break down what AI really is, its types, and how it's shaping our world in ways you never imagined.
So, what artificial intelligence actually is?
Artificial intelligence refers to systems that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks like learning, problem-solving, decision-making, or perception. It's built on algorithms, computational power, enabling things like chatbots, image recognition, or autonomous vehicles. Think of it as a brainy tool that gets smarter with experience, but without the coffee addiction or existential crises. If you want specifics, like types of AI or how it's used, let me know.
So, what are the types of artificial intelligence?
AI can be categorized based on its capabilities and functionality. Here are the main types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI, weak AI, designed for specific tasks. Examples include virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, recommendation systems, Netflix, YouTube, and facial recognition software. It excels in one area but can't generalize beyond its programming. General AI, strong AI, a theoretical AI with human-like intelligence, capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. It would understand, learn, and adapt across diverse domains. We're not there yet. Think sci-fi like Jarvis from Iron Man. Superintelligent AI, another theoretical concept. This is AI that surpasses human intelligence in all areas, from creativity to problem solving. It's speculative and raises ethical debates. E.g., could it outsmart us in ways we can't predict? Based on functionality, AI can also be classified as reactive AI, responds to specific inputs without memory or learning, e.g., IBM's Deep Blue chess computer. Limited memory. AI uses past data to improve decisions, like self-driving cars analyzing recent road conditions. Theory of mind AI. Still in development. This would understand emotions and intentions, enabling more human-like interactions. Self-aware AI, a hypothetical AI with consciousness and self-awareness. Purely speculative for now. Hey, buddy, want me to dive deeper into any of these or their real-world uses?
Yes.
Narrow AI, the most prevalent type today, powers a wide range of real-world applications. Here's a breakdown of key uses across industries: healthcare, education, finance, security, manufacturing, transportation, agriculture, entertainment, customer service, etc. Healthcare. AI analyzes medical images, e.g., X-rays, MRIs, to detect diseases like cancer with high accuracy, e.g., IBM Watson Health. Education. AI personalizes learning through adaptive platform. Example, Duolingo's AI-driven language lessons. Finance. AI detects fraud by analyzing transaction patterns in real time, powers algorithmic trading for stock market predictions, and personalizes banking services, e.g., chatbots for customer support. Example, PayPal's fraud detection systems. Security. AI enhances cybersecurity by detecting threats. Example, airport security scanners. Manufacturing. AI in manufacturing boosts efficiency by enabling automation. It reduces costs, minimizes downtime, and data-driven production. Example, Siemens' smart factories. Transportation. Self-driving cars use AI for navigation, obstacle detection, and decision-making based on real-time sensor data. AI also optimizes logistics, like route planning for delivery trucks. Example, Tesla's autopilot. Agriculture. AI in agriculture boosts crop yield and resource efficiency, through precision farming, smart irrigation, and pest detection. Example, John Deere's AI-powered tractors. Entertainment, streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to curate personalized content. Example, AI-generated playlists. Customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants, like me, handle inquiries, provide support, and improve user experience across websites and apps. These applications rely on techniques like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Narrow AI's strength is its ability to handle specific tasks efficiently, but it's limited to its training. So let's conclude. Artificial intelligence is that super smart friend who never sleeps, never eats, and still does your homework better than you. Some say it will replace humans, but don't worry. It still can't figure out CAPTCHA. From self-driving cars to chatbots that argue like your relatives, AI is everywhere. And yes, even this video script might be written by AI. Ironic, right? Stick around because learning AI here is way more fun than listening to a robot lecture. We promise.